Administrator and owner accounts will be able to set and update lookups under the Lookup tab. When your users will be setting up forms, it's important to have the correct options available for them to choose from. These are called lookups. So for instance, gender, salutation, methods of payment, and purpose of transaction are all useful lookups to add to be sure that if a user isn't able to add a custom entry, that they will have enough options available for them to choose from so that they will be able to fill out forms accurately. This page shows all the lookups already added, and you can view more pages by clicking here. See more entries on your current page, or use the search bar to look for something in particular. Not every company is the same, so it's good to allow for options. To add new options, just click the plus here. First, you'll want to select the lookup key of what location you'd like to add your new lookup to. Scroll down to see all the types already created. Group type, or customer group, is an interesting one to have. This can be useful if you want to, for instance, make a VIP group type. Just click Save and Add to add it. You can add domestic or tourist as a customer group type. This will enable you to run reports on group types you've served to date. So, for instance, how many tourists you've served, etc.